science and maths exhibition in our school. So for that, the topic which I had chosen was the science behind bubbles. Those who follow my channel already know that I have made other videos on bubbles. So isn't it interesting to learn the science behind bubbles? Come on, let's see. So before we start, let me tell you the simple concepts that we learn from bubbles. Science concepts as well as mathematics. Some concepts are chemistry, elasticity, surface tension, light, and geometry. So have you ever wondered what is a bubble? How are bubbles formed? Why do they pop? And they form 120 degrees. But how? Let us get all the answers of these questions in this video. Let us start by making a simple bubble. Come on. This is a special homemade liquid and I have made it at home. It's a solution for the bubbles. So we have to pour some of the solution on the table. You have to make bubbles on a glass surface or either use a plastic mat. If you use it on an uneven surface, the bubble will easily pop. So to make a simple bubble, you just dip your straw in the solution and then blow. See, now this is a simple bubble. So first let's learn what is this bubble made of. Bubbles are made of soap, water and air. It is basically when the air molecules are trapped inside the soap and water molecules. So now we talked about what is inside the bubble. Now let's talk about what is the surface of the bubble, means what is the film. So let me show you one thing. It is called a water sandwich. This is called a water sandwich. The soap molecules act like the bread and the water acts like the filling. This is how the surface of a bubble looks like. Now that we have learned that how the surface of the bubble looks like, now let us learn why do the bubbles pop. There are two reasons. One, when something sharp or dry touches the bubble. Let me show you an example. Let me try popping it. So look, it pops because my finger is dry. Now let's try it with a sharp object. Look, this over here is the sharp object. See, it pops. And another reason is, as we learned in the water sandwich, when the bubble goes higher and the between layer of water, it evaporates, and when both the soap layers touch each other, the bubble pops. So let us try an experiment. It's kind of a magic. Let me show you. And now let's make a finger wet. And now we'll try popping the bubble. See, it does not pop. See, it does not pop. So this was because the solution on our hand and the soap film, when they come in contact, they merge and then they share a common wall. That's why it does not pop. Now you must be wondering from the start what this question means. Now let's learn a small maths background about bubbles. When three or more bubbles join, they always join at an angle of 120 degrees. Look. They always join at an angle of 120 degrees. Isn't that fascinating? So when you join 7 bubbles together, the middle bubble becomes a hexagon. And similarly, when you join 6 bubbles together, the middle bubble becomes a pentagon. So honeybees use the same format to build each block of their beehive. So now let's try another experiment. So when we take light near to a bubble, it shows the colors of a rainbow. Can you see the colors of the rainbow? Wasn't it fun? Now let me make some fun bubbles that my friends enjoyed in the exhibition. You will get a glimpse of the exhibition afterwards. See, it's a bubble inside a bubble. Look, I made a bubble inside a bubble inside a bubble. It looks so good. So now, let me make a dancing bubble. Look, the bubble is dancing. Tan, 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 tan. And one bubble into two. And back into one again. And back into two. And look, now I'll make this bubble into multiple bubbles. Look at the bubbles. So now let me show you another experiment. Say it's a caterpillar. I'll show you another magic. See now. Woohoo! The straw is going inside the bubble. I'll remove the straw from the bubble without breaking it. Look. And now it's my favorite bubble. It's the dragon bubble. So this is my favorite bubble. You can make it at home. You can just cut a bottle from the bottom and then put a straw. You have to just dip the bottle into the bubble liquid and then you get the dragon bubble. Woohoo! If you want to make the solution, the video is over here. It was a great experience participating in this exhibition. I thank my school for giving this opportunity to me. Seriously, this is a bubble. It is made out of accident. Now try to pop it. It pops. Oh my god, the flat. Now make your finger wet and then try to pop the bubble. See, it does not pop.
See the effect of line on bubble. What is that?